Okay, so this one's a bit of a wild card because we have my grandma here. So, Grandma, how's it been this week? How's it been for you?
It's been life-changing. Lisa offered me the opportunity, and I thought, I've got to do this. And I needed to get away from home because something sad had happened, and I just needed the company of my grandson and my daughter. And the whole experience has been amazing, just amazing. I can't even explain. I've said life-changing, but I've discovered my spirituality. I'm on a spiritual journey now, and I want to go forward on that journey, and I will. Yeah, my mindset has changed a lot. The whole of Lisa's approach to the retreat and explaining the yoga and all the other things that she does within the retreat has sparked off my spirituality. I've had some amazing experiences while under hypnosis. Staggering, really. Just things that I didn't expect to happen. I've opened my mind up, and I have changed.
And I know you said you didn't expect them, but would your former self from a few weeks ago even have believed them to have been possible?
No, I came with an open mind, but I didn't expect to have the experience that I've had. It's really been revolutionary. Whether I came with a closed mind and it's been opened, I don't know. Perhaps that's true. I was a skeptic, I guess, about spirituality, but now I'm not. Now I've seen it myself. And I think it's going to turn me into a different person, a better person.
I think it already has.
Was that bad?
No, not at all. Thank you so much for your time, Grandma. It's been a blessing having you here.
Oh, bless you. I've done a lot of crying as well.
I know.
I didn't speak anything about the outside the retreat stuff.
You don't need to. A lot of other people have.
Yeah.